you don't only have to use Capitalize for buying and selling, for enacting actions. Your action could simply be a smart notification. For example, you could say, if Bitcoin USD, let's just use that, let's say price is below previous month high by more than 20%, then email me. Okay, so this strategy will actually email you if this happens, and you can create more than one condition. You can create many conditions in one strategy, and you could just use a smart notification just to email you. So you'll know exactly, you'll know what's happening in the market, and then you may want to take certain positions, or you may want to watch something. Scott,